Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be learning about coordinating conjunctions, and these are words that you guys already know, but we're just kind of going to go over what they mean and how they're used in sentence form to help you guys become better writers. First of all, we're going to talk about fanboys. Fanboys stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And the only picture I could find of anything fan-like was this great picture of fangirls at a Justin Bieber concert. So just pretend they're boys, and it'll work out just fine. Okay, so for each of these, they mean something, and they're used for specific purposes in sentences. So I would say get ready with your pencil and your notes and be ready to write down what each of them stand for, as that will be part of an assessment you guys will do at the end of class. For means because. This happens for it is written. And it adds information to a text or to a sentence. If I said, on Saturday mornings I like to sleep in and hang out with my cat, I could just stop at sleep in. But I'm adding more information, so to do that, I need to say and. In stands for nor, like I said, and it gives you no choice in something. That'll make more sense when you say, when you see a word later on. B is but, and it shows a contrast. Or is what gives a choice. So or and nor kind of go together. But just remember what that one gives a choice and nor doesn't. So you can remember nor and no choice. Why? It means yet. So it shows a contrast. So means because. It kind of goes with the same thing as for. Just think of if you can use because in this sentence, you can probably use for or so. So here's an example. Is the combination of mustard and relish better on hot dogs or hamburgers or hot dogs? So if we look at this, to identify the coordinating conjunctions, I asked myself, does the word join parts of a sentence? Does it add information or does it show a choice in something? So let's look at this. We have and it links. We have and or. And links mustard and relish together. It joins those two related words. And then we have or, which joins together hamburgers and hot dogs, and it gives a choice between them. You can either pick hamburgers or hot dogs. So for compound sentences, you guys know what this is, but if you don't, they're two simple sentences joined together by a comma and coordinating conjunction. And I wrote the formula in the second bullet. Main idea plus coordinating conjunction plus a main idea. Notice that there is a comma in front of the coordinating conjunction. So if you're going to connect two sentences together, make sure that you have a comma in front of your coordinating conjunction. So let's look at this one. The basket full of eggs was enough. Grandma brought a few extra eggs. So these two sentences are on their own. They're two simple sentences, but they can be joined together. The basket full of eggs was enough, notice the comma, but Grandma brought a few extra eggs along. In this instance, we used but with the comma in front. Another word that we could use, do you guys know which other word you could use? Yet. The basket full of eggs was enough, yet Grandma brought a few extra eggs along. Still using that comma in front of the coordinating conjunction, I was just able to change it. Okay, that's all I have for you today. You do have your packet to work on, but before you go, you guys can watch this video and enjoy the song that goes along with it.
As your body grows bigger, your mind must power. It's great to learn, 'cause knowledge is power. It's Schoolhouse Rocky, the chip on the block of your favorite schoolhouse rock. You've been waiting for Conjunction Junction. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up words and phrases and clauses. Conjunction Junction, how's that function? I got 3 favorite cars that get most of my job done. Conjunction Junction, what's their function? I got and, but, and, or, they'll get you pretty far. And, that's an additive, like this and that. But, that's sort of the opposite, not this, but that. And then there's or, O-R, where you have a choice like this or that. And, but, and, or, get you pretty far. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up 2 boxcars and making them run right. Milk and honey, bread and butter, peas and rice. Hey, that's nice. Dirty but happy, digging and scratching, losing your shoe and a button or 2. He's poor but honest, sad but true. Boo-hoo! Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up 2 cars to 1 when you say something like this. Choice, either now or later, or no choice. Neither now nor ever. Hey, that's clever. Eat this or that, grow thin or fat. Never mind, I wouldn't do that, I'm fat enough now. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up phrases and clauses that balance like out of the frying pan and into the fire. He cut loose the sandbags, but the balloon wouldn't go any higher. Let's go up to the mountains or down to the seas. You should always say thank you or at least say please. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up words and phrases and clauses in complex sentences like, in the mornings when I'm usually wide awake, I love to take a walk through the gardens and down by the lake, where I often see a duck and a drake. And I wonder as I walk by just what they'd say if they could speak. Although I know that's an absurd thought. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? Hooking up cars and making them function. Conjunction Junction, how's that function? I like tying up words and phrases and clauses. Conjunction Junction, watch that function. I'm gonna get you there if you're very careful. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? I'm going to get you there if you're very careful. Conjunction Junction, what's your function? I'm going to get you there.
Okay, so that was a little video. Maybe that'll help you remember a little bit what the most important aspects of coordinating conjunctions are. And if you guys have any questions, as always, please raise your hand and I will be around to assist you. It shouldn't be as hard as direct objects at last week, but if there is a problem, just let me know.